Hey everybody, happy Thursday. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we've got an update on our audit logs here to check out. So obviously audit logs, super important at the location level as well as the agency level. You're going to find them in settings, and they allow you to do things like know what the heck is going on so you can debug stuff or just know who did what, where, how. So if somebody asks, or if you want to actually just educate your customers on this, it just gives a great way for them to see what's going on. And we continue to expand the functionality here. Sorry, I'm just moving my head. So today we have the ability to two changes on the audit log. So let's jump into the release notes and cover this together. All right. So first up, we are going to be talking about tag deletion. So in here, you can go in and you can say, okay, I want to see all of the tags and any of the changes that are done. And let's say right here, you can see, oh snap, this tag got deleted by this person. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. Well, don't worry, because now you can actually restore that deleted tag. That's right. So again, audit logs are not just about being able to see things that were done, but also try to help you sort of restore things in a situation where the user may have made a mistake or, whatever, intentionally did something, but then it causes some other issue, blah, blah, blah. So now we have the restoration of the deleted tags in there. So that is update number one. Update number two is in the same vein. So check this out. So we come over here, and if we have any custom values that have been deleted, we can now, this account doesn't have it, but if we have any custom values that have been deleted, you can now restore the custom values as well. So again, two restorations there. So before, you would see that the custom value was deleted or the tag was deleted, and then there's really nothing you could do about it, but now you can actually do something about it and restore it. We're gonna continue to obviously expand this out all the time. I think these changes are so awesome because as you use the system day to day and you go deeper, especially as you're working with clients, they're gonna make mistakes, and this is a great, gives you a great ability to go in and fix those. So anyways, on that note, I hope all of you are having an awesome Thursday, and I will see you in our next video in a couple minutes. Thanks.